Hey there viewers, in a mood for a dessert? I don't know about you, but I always crave cakes, muffins, and ice cream. The problem is desserts and health usually don't go hand in hand. Ice cream is delicious, but also an open invitation to diabetes if you eat it daily. In today's video, we'll be talking about desserts you won't believe are actually healthy. Are popsicles on the list? Is applesauce healthy for you? What about chocolate banana bites? We'll be discussing all of this and more. Number 1. Frozen mango, kiwi, raspberry popsicles. Do you love eating popsicles? Who doesn't? They're an excellent summer treat. Popsicles are the best way to beat the heat without loading up on calories. You can make them without added sugar and they'll still taste great. At least they're a healthy alternative to store-bought ones. So how do you make one? Well, it's simple. You'll need frozen mango, kiwi, and raspberries. Blend them up and freeze them separately. Set them aside in 3 different bowls. Freeze kiwi for 1 hour, then add mango on top of it and freeze for 20 minutes. Finally, add raspberry and freeze overnight. Don't forget to insert a stick in the kiwi blend when you're freezing it. The combination of mango, kiwi, and raspberry gives you a generous amount of vitamin C, which is a key in strengthening your immune system. Which is your favorite popsicle flavor? Strawberry? Mango? Watermelon? Share your preferences with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Applesauce. This is a personal favorite for me. Although store-bought applesauce is more popular these days, the fresh version you make at home is to die for. The aroma of fresh applesauce is terrific. I strongly suggest that you make it at home from scratch. That way you'll be in control of what you add and how much quantity. Here's an easy applesauce dessert recipe for you to try. Simmer diced apples, water, maple syrup, and cinnamon in a steel pot for about 20 minutes. You'll notice the apples are tender and falling apart. Cool it down and then blend for a smooth consistency. Stir in vinegar and maple syrup to adjust the sweet-sour taste. You can also use honey instead of maple syrup. Serve warm or chilled. This recipe also calls for cinnamon as an ingredient, which is a great source of antioxidants. These help ensure your cells don't get damaged by free radical activity in your body. Free radicals are produced when your body is exposed to pollution, stress, harmful sun rays, and aging. Number 3. Secret fruit salad. Craving a delicious dessert? Go for fruit salad. You can even drizzle a little honey or maple syrup over it. Fruit salad is an excellent way to enjoy all your favorite fruits while getting all the good nutrients. If you're bored of eating plain old fruit salad, here's a twist. Dice your favorite fruits and mix them in a bowl. I prefer pineapples, strawberries, and apples. Don't forget to add peaches, blueberries, raspberries, and grapes. Toss fruits with vanilla pudding mix powder. Your mouth-watering fruit salad is ready to eat. The berries ensure you get a generous helping of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you want younger-looking skin, eat this salad. Number 4. 3-ingredient banana cups. Chocolates are delicious. It's almost criminal how addictive they are, but dark chocolate is the healthiest bet. If you're craving a chocolate dessert, try this recipe that features chocolate with a banana base. We're talking about chocolate banana cups that only have 3 ingredients. They're easy to make and unapologetically delicious. But how do you make them? You'll need 1 ripe banana, a 1/4 cup of almond milk, and half a cup of chocolate chips. Using the double boiler method, melt the chocolate and milk. Pour a small amount into the base of the muffin cups. Freeze them for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, smash the banana and add it on top of the chocolate you put in the muffin cup. Fill the cup with the remaining melted chocolate. Let the cup sit in the freezer until everything's firm. Number 5. Chocolate banana bites. Chocolate banana bites are another dessert that comes with a banana base. These bites are delicious and an excellent way to satisfy your cravings. They're dairy-free, prepared with unsweetened cocoa powder. If you'd like your dessert to be a bit more on the sweeter side, you have the option of adding maple syrup. This recipe is simple. Slice bananas, dip them in melted chocolate and milk, then freeze. It's that simple. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn more about 6 nuts you should be eating and 6 you shouldn't. Number 6. Paleo strawberry crumble. If you're on a paleo diet, you have to make sacrifices. For example, you won't be able to eat several popular snacks due to their processing. But don't worry, you still have quite a few dessert options left to satisfy your sweet cravings. Try to make strawberry crumble for yourself. All it takes is a little almond flour, kosher salt, coconut oil, and pure maple syrup to make the crumble topping. For the crumble, you'll need strawberries, vanilla starch, lemon juice, and finally, maple syrup. Mix ingredients for the crumble. Transfer from your bowl to a baking pan. On top of it, spread the topping ingredients all mashed together. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. Let it cool and then serve with ice cream. Number 7. No-Bake Energy Bites. More often than not, the battle between craving for a dessert and staying on the healthier side is a hard one. But with these no-bake energy bites, you can eat a lip-smackingly delicious dessert while staying committed to your wellness regimen. These no-bake energy bites, as the name suggests, don't need an oven to prepare. You'll need ingredients like shredded coconut, peanut butter, and ground flax seeds. Mix in vegan chocolate chips, honey, chia seeds, and vanilla extract. And of course, a cup of old-fashioned oats. Mix everything in a big bowl until the ingredients combine. Chill in a refrigerator for an hour or two. Make small round balls from the mix to have as a snack whenever you want. Number 8. Flourless Nutella Blender Muffins. At first glance, Nutella doesn't seem like the healthiest diet option, but the flourless Nutella muffins certainly make a case for themselves as a delicious dessert. You can make these blender muffins easily in under 15 minutes. You'll need rolled oats, cocoa powder, baking powder, soda, and salt. Cooked black beans and applesauce make a wonderful addition. Get the healthy version of Nutella to spread over the muffins. Maple syrup and vanilla extract are the final addition. Rinse beans to get rid of their flavor. Blend all the ingredients together to obtain a smooth consistency. Fill the muffin cups with this mix. Bake in a preheated oven for 13 minutes. Transfer them to a container and let them sit inside the refrigerator overnight. You got your fudgy muffins ready to eat. You can also press chocolate chips on top of the muffin mix before baking. Number 9. Guilt-free chocolate truffles. While chocolate is usually a no-go for any diet, dark chocolate gets a pass because of its various nutritional health benefits. Dark chocolate has a generous amount of magnesium and can even help with depression and anxiety. This truffle recipe uses dark chocolate along with almond butter, Greek yogurt, and cocoa powder as the ingredients. Instead of the traditional chocolate ganache that goes into truffles, this recipe uses yogurt to keep the calorie count low. It should be noted that flavored yogurt comes with additional calories compared to the plain variety. These truffles are good bites and can satisfy your dessert craving without the burden of adding too many calories. You'll first need dark chocolate chips. Make sure you use chips that have 70% or higher cocoa content. Melt them in the microwave. Take a separate bowl and mix nut butter and Greek yogurt together. Now pour melted chocolate into the bowl and mix everything together. Refrigerate until the mixture hardens. Make truffles from this mix and roll them into unsweetened cocoa powder. Refrigerate until ready to serve. Number 10. Healthy Carrot Cake Oatmeal Cookies. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body then converts into vitamin A. They also have a good amount of fiber, antioxidants, and potassium. All of them are vital for bodily functions. Oats and maple syrup make the taste great. There are other variations of oatmeal cookies in case you want to experiment in the kitchen. Number 11. Breakfast Cookies. If you're not keen on using too many ingredients and want a quick-fire dessert option, breakfast cookies are the best. All you need are oats and ripe bananas. If you're feeling experimental, add in chocolate chips, Nutella, and peanut butter. Mash bananas in a bowl and add oats to it. Mix well to combine. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Drop the cookie dough onto the tray and bake for 20 minutes in a preheated oven. Allow cooling before serving. These cookies are very easy to make and are especially useful during the morning rush. You can eat them on the go. Eating healthy desserts is one part of the story, but are you making sure your meals are as healthy as your dessert? You'll be surprised to know that there are foods that are especially healthy for men and others are healthy for women. Watch 14 healthy foods women should eat every day. You can also try 11 healthy foods men should eat every day. Go ahead and click one. Better yet, watch both and learn more about how to make your diet healthy. Will you be trying any of these dessert recipes? Let us know in the comments below.